So we're going to make a cream paint bruise today because I can't find my alcohol paints. And I'll probably have to make a blood video next week because I can't find my alcohol paints. So let's just start. Obviously you're going to need these gross cream paints that are disgusting from Walmart. You're going to need a Q-tip. You're going to need a paper towel. You're going to need sponges with holes. That was my dog. So to start off, you're going to take purple and red. Kind of like that. And then just pick a place on your arm and make a shape. These are going to be more healed bruises since I did extreme paints last time we did this, which is a while ago. Put that in the center. And then you're going to take a different sponge, which is already clean, and you're going to take yellow. Go on top of the red and purple. So far that's what you have, so then you're going to take green. Maybe you'll take green, I don't know, it just depends on if the green wants to work with you or not, but apparently it doesn't. And then you're going to take your green, kind of focus it in between the yellow and the red and purple. I'm going to take my Q-tip and go in with a little bit more purple and a little bit more red. And go into the middle with it. I'm going to take my sponge and just blend it out. There you go, you have a healing bruise. Of course you don't have to make it this big, but I did it this big just to show you what it would look like. I'm going to try to find my alcohol paints so that I can actually do a better job at this, because cream paint does sit on top of the skin, unlike alcohol paints. So I'll get to that whenever I find my palette, which I don't know where it is in this dorm room at the moment. I don't even know if I left it home, but we'll see. I'm going to probably have to film a video on blood, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Bye guys.